is like a river, peaceful and deep. Your soul is like a secret that you never could keep. When I look into your eyes, I know that it's true. God wants to spend a little more time on you. A little more time. Let's see it, babe. The creation of things great and small. You are the one that surprised us all. Won't you stay any time in the world? Even the moment when you came in this world, I'm trying hard to figure out just how I deal with that. The wonder you smile, the heart of a child. It's made me purified. It's like a river, peaceful and deep. Its soul is like a secret that you never could keep. When I look into your eyes, I know that it's true.